State lawmakers this morning considered new legislation that would prohibit businesses from requiring employees to get vaccinated against COVID-19.
It's another one of the governor's top priorities during this third special session, but it is attracting some criticism from groups that are usually the governor's top allies. Our Ryan Chandler is live from the Capitol. Ryan.
Well, good evening, y'all. You know, as we head into flu season, a lot of offices are encouraging their employees to get up to date on their shots. This legislation, though, only applies to COVID-19 vaccines, trying to give some comfort to employees who might not want to get the shot, but also don't want to lose their job. And it's setting up some interesting allies as the governor goes up against big business.
I have gotten thousands of reports from families who were faced with this decision to either take this vaccine or to provide for their families.
Jackie Schlegel has advocated against mandatory vaccines for a decade. She says she found more support than ever during the pandemic.
The majority of individuals have either gotten COVID or they have received their vaccines. And now the question is, are we going to continue to mandate boosters?
Senate Bill 7 would subject businesses to a $10,000 fine if they take any adverse action against an employee or job applicant who refuses the COVID shot. It's one of the governor's emergency items, but it's opposed by more than a dozen of the state's most influential business groups.
I really don't understand, because you'll remember that at the beginning of this outbreak, we had no frickin' idea what was going on.
Some Democrats arguing Texas's usual free market approach should apply here as well.
And now you're saying a private employer cannot take care of their medically fragile employees?
The bill's sponsor telling us he does support business, but this is where he draws the line.
When Texas citizens are being fired for not getting the vaccine, or in some cases, in many cases, actually getting a vaccine that they don't want to take, maybe that their doctors have said you shouldn't take for whatever reason, in order to keep their job, I've got a problem against that.
Ryan Chandler, KXAN News. Now, this bill sailed through the Senate with bipartisan support last week. It's now awaiting further action in the House, where some opponents are trying to amend the bill in order to make sure that employers, even if this bill does pass, will still be able to force some restrictions on their employees, such as forcing unvaccinated workers to work from home or wear a mask around vulnerable coworkers.
Ryan Chandler live at the Capitol for us tonight. Thank you for that. It is worth pointing out tonight the last remaining federal COVID-19 vaccine requirements ended back in May, and that is when the national public health emergency for the coronavirus officially ended. But legal cases against the mandate continued. Congress, as well as the federal courts, rolled back those requirements for large employers and military service members. The Wall Street Journal reports the Biden administration is seeking to erase a number of judicial rulings, including some brought by Texas, even with the health emergency over. Now, the reason to keep appealing would be to answer any outstanding questions about presidential authority.